is to attempt suicide. Even a teenage kid, she is thinking to attempt suicide. From my experience, a 10-year-old girl just died because her father didn't bring her a new bag and we scolded. It's from my personal experience. And in olden days, only the farmers used to commit suicide just because of their problems. But even a teenage kid is trying to attempt suicide these days. Even the great personalities face the disaster moments in their lifetime, but they could come out of it. Example, if you consider Nelson Mandela, he created history in South Africa and he is known as South African Gandhi. Abraham Lincoln, who worked as a cobbler, he became the president of United States and he abolished the slavery over there. If Ambedkar would have thought that he is from a backward caste, who would have written the constitution? Even in the American history, a black becoming president for whites, no one would have expected that one, but today it's happened. All these people, they have self-confidence within them and through this they could achieve it. But the youngsters, they are the 1 minute confusion in their mind or depression in their mind. They are thinking that the only to commit suicide is the final answer. Just if they could calm down and think for that 1 minute, there is a path visible and they can reach the ultimate destination they can. Even in this hall, we can find the challenge your mind. Just if there is a failure in your mind, just challenge it, I can win across it and definitely can get the success. And I think suicide is not the solution for failure. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning, Mandal. I am Ravindra, preparing number 424. I think every person committing suicide is a big crime. The friends and the parents who are present should encourage them. And if a person gets failure, he should not think it's a stand of life. He must think that failures are the stepping stones of success and go on. The parents, if their children get studied in academics or anything any else, their parents should support them and not scold them, so that the children may not get stressed and may not get stressed. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Suresh, bearing register number 450. Nowadays, the society is facing the major concern of suicide of teenagers. And I say that life is not a dream, not a magic or fantasy. Everything, a problem has a solution. In life, everything has a beautiful ending. If it is not beautiful, it's not ending. It's the beginning of another beautiful thing. And I say that the suicide tendency is mainly due to stress, time management, or other desire. And if you see the famous personalities like Faraday, when he invented the current, many said that what is the use of it? Then he said that it's like a newborn baby, and what it is going to become in future, I don't know, but it will grow. And now we are saying what's the fruit of that electricity. And also Thomas Alva Edison, he had paid 19,999 times. At the 20,000th time, he invented the bulb, and he never said that I paid 19,990 times. He said that I invented 19,999 new ways how not to make a bulb. And with these success stories, we have to make it teenagers or many people to read these and inspire and bring confidence in them. And also, whenever a student or anybody is in tension or in stress, he should be free with his friends and he should share his every feeling with his parents, friends or teachers. With that, we can reduce somewhat the suicide tendency. And like this, and also motivation classes, and also the present environment and also the education system should necessarily a small change in it. But everything we need is to make ourselves great in our life. So suicide is not the final decision in our life. It should not be taught in our life. Thank you.
Good morning, Mananda. This is Anil Kumar, bearing list number 423. In my opinion, immature behavior and highly sensitive to small things also make people to commit such bad activities like suicide. This is so happen because of their immature behavior only. If we adapt a tendency from our childhood to be an individual rather than depending on others, then we can erase this problem in society. We can eradicate this problem from the world also. If we do so, we acquire some experience from the society, what to do and what not to do. These things will be viewed very simple things, but they help us a lot in our life. Finally, I would like to conclude that anybody should not encourage him to commit suicide by himself or by anybody else. Thank you.
Your name, please.
Anil Kumar.
Good morning, Mananda. This is Kishore, very register number 451. Committing suicide, becoming a short level in our daily life. Before this, I would like to share some of my personal experience. In my school days, my friend GSL Murthy came from some rural area village, Panugul Vaksa in Srikakulam. He failed in camp for 3 days because of some personal problems. Our parents also not interested to study him because of some financial problems. He wrote a letter and committed suicide. And another is in my intermediate college in Vijayawada, Gautam. One boy, Rohit, committed suicide because some of his friends, some of his or her friends are not moving closer with him. One girl, Bhargavi, studying the intermediate second year, because of her poor performance in academics and some stress due to the chairs or some injustice in the campus, he committed suicide. These are all becoming frequently mainly in intermediate colleges, because some corporate colleges like Chaitanya Narayana, they had to change it by conducting some welfare programs to motivate the parents and the institutions, corporate institutions, and they had to change the students' mind by motivating in a right manner, because failures are part of life, but failures are not the life. Thank you.
Good morning, Mananda. This is Vijay, bearing register number 0417. I would like to talk about failure. And suicide. Suicide is caused due to failure, and failure is caused due to stress from the parents who do not encourage the one's life. So we should take failure as a stepping stone for success. We should learn from failure. We should learn lessons in our life. We should take failure as a positive aspect. Failure can be overcome by confidence, hard work, and conducting motivation classes. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kumar, bearing number 401. About the failure and the suicides. According to the recent statistics, India ranks number 1 in suicides. In every 1.5 hours, a student commits suicide or tries to commit suicide. So we all know that there is something is going wrong here. So actually, pressure can be divided into mainly 2 parts. Pressure due to academics and pressure due to personal problems. Pressure due to academics, everyone knows. A 90% student, sometimes if he gets less marks, maybe he gets 70 marks, 70%, 75%, then it is a failure for him. It's not that just a person who gets 50% marks he fails, it is a failure for him. It is a failure for a 90% student also. But how does he take it? Where he goes? Not every person can go to a counselor or psychiatrist for counseling. here the role of teachers comes. Whether teacher is friendly or not. According to my opinion, a teacher is a person who is less a teacher but more a friend to a student. So, because a student will not go to his parents because he might not feel frank with them. He can only go to his teachers. So, it is the role of the teachers to make them believe that failures are a stepping stone to success. And the second biggest thing is pressure due to personal problems. And we have all chatted about it, but what are these personal problems? Mainly, I feel the personal problem a student feels at this age is about love affairs. He goes into a love affairs, he comes out of it, he gets break up, everything. I don't know, he faces dangers. For instance, you can take our Hari Hauser. He has 3 girlfriends beside him. You can go to him for opinions, how he manages them. There's no need for doing suicide and feeling depressed. At his age, if he can manage 3 girlfriends, at least he can manage 1.
Good.
Okay, so that is the thing. So there is no such big problem that needs for a person to do suicide. The next biggest thing to face failure is courage. And there is a very little line between courage and stupidity. If I ask a person to jump from 2nd floor, if he jumps it, he gets some scratches and everything, then every person will say that he's courage, he's very courageous. And the same person, if he jumps and he dies, then everyone what a stupid is. So it is not that if you are, courage is not that if you fail then you should go to your parent or mom, I have failed, no problem, I'll pass. Like nothing like you should feel. Whether you have failed, you should feel. It's not that you should get support. It's not that you should get sad and everything. You should learn from your mistake. That is the thing. And the most important thing for tackling this problem is, friends, life goes on. It doesn't stop for anyone. Time is the biggest thing. Time erases every pain, every failure. It will erase everything. Just wait for some time. You'll get up. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. My name is Vairag Naidu, resistor number 408. In my opinion, suicide is not at all a solution for the failures in academics or in the personal life. Because everyone is gifted with equal abilities. The way he gets success when he uses his abilities up to the mark, and if he does not use his abilities up to the mark, then he will face a failure. If anyone come across a failure, then he should realize that he has not utilized his abilities up to the mark. Actually, many of my friends said that there is pressure from parents side and teachers, but a student should take in a positive manner. The parents will give the pressure because his or her child should be successful person. Or teachers will scold because the student should get success for the next time if he has failed now. But we should take in a positive manner that we should, we are not working at all and we are not using our abilities. So we should work hard and we should use our abilities up to the mark, and we should show the success next time. Thank you.
Good morning, one and all. This is Krishna Chaitanya, stating the registration number of 440. According to my view, in the race of life, we come across many failures and hurdles and success. But everyone should have enough courage to get past these hurdles to the road to the success. If anyone stops at a particular hurdle or failure, he will be thinking that suicide is the only solution for it. But it's not. Failure is not it's only the part of life, and it's not a end of life. You can eradicate this by encouraging the students in all aspects rather than discouraging them and improving their confidence levels. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Peter Kisa and my register number is 445. Nowadays, the major problem in the society is suicide. People are committing suicide for a silly reason, for some simple and silly reasons. Among the people who are committing suicides, 60% are students. Among the 50% students are committing suicide due to their academic problems. Committing suicide, failure is not a crime, but committing suicide with the reason of failure is a crime. In my 10th class, my friend P. Kalyan committed suicide because of a silly reason that his father scolded him for a mistake not done by him. So I can conclude that to tackle this type of problems, parents and children should have proper relation. Thank you.
So this is Takesh, register number 433, and I feel that committing suicide is a crime, and the people who are committing suicide due to having a weak surroundings and due to lack of motivation. And when coming to the academics, the students who committing suicide were from low profiles. And committing academics is not the only one to get through the life, as everyone can have their own talents. As we see the Sachin Tendulkar, he was one of the student, as he had a failure in 10th class, but he think in a positive direction, and now he was a great cricketer. So my advice is to think always in a positive direction and lead the life. So we know that try until you success. Thank you.
Okay.